High-end storytelling visuals come from smooth flow and refined framing choices. Today, how to explore luxury storytelling visuals, open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged vertically or diagonally to guide the viewer's eye naturally. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or muted premium color palette. Add subtle connecting elements like lines or arrows with reduced opacity. Duplicate one frame and place it behind with reduced opacity to create layered depth. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining flow.